Welcome back. Now news from sports. Mahindra Youth Football Challenge is back for its second season and is all set to unearth footballing talent from across the country. The reason to compete here for all players is the alluring chance for 3 to 4 lucky but talented youngsters to train at the Celtic Football Club in Scotland. The Goa leg will kick off in December and simultaneously in 6 other centres across India. Unlike last year, there is no restriction in the number of schools participating. The organisers have also kept the number of berths to Scotland flexible, depending on the level of talent scouted by the Celtic coaches.
This is Mahindra's way of giving back to the footballing world in India after the famous Indian club side had disbanded a few years ago.
Yeah, we're here for the launch of the second edition of Mahindra Youth Football Challenge Goa, the Goa leg. We've completed 1 year of this initiative, and the success and the adulation that this program has got from all across the country is phenomenal. Year 1 saw 3 boys being selected at the end of the program to go to Celtic FC and train. 2 boys came from Calcutta and 1 boy came from Bangalore. So this year I hope we have somebody from Goa who gets an opportunity to go and train. The selection process is completely handled by Celtic FC and their coaches. So we have really no much role to play in that because they come in a good 1 month early. They spend a lot of time with the kids.
GFA Vice President Lavinio Ribello gave a few details of the Goa leg of the tournament.
From this Goa League, we have got 32 teams, 16 from North Goa, 16 schools from North Goa, under 14, and 16 from South Goa. And from there, the winners will clash with 6 other cities in India. And from there, we'll have about 24 probables being selected, and 3 or 4 will get a chance to go to Scotland.
Legendary Olympian footballer Fortunato Franco has asked all participating footballers to make complete use of this unique chance.
It is my very, very sincere advice to the youngsters. I wish, last time I was there for as a chief guest when they played the Goa League finals, and I did give them a talk and gave them a piece of my mind to say that, look, you guys are given this fantastic opportunities, and if you cannot grab it with both your hands, it's of no use. So all you've got to do is to pull up your socks, work hard, and bring honor to the country.
From Panji, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Armand Colasso has stood by his boys after the stunning 2-0 defeat that Air India had in the 4-time I-League champs. Armand says he was not worried and is confident his team will bounce back. He also feels that 2 points are not much and will reclaim the top spot. Armando's counterpart Santosh Kashyap was satisfied after rounding off a perfect 1-week stint in Goa with 2 big wins against Sporting Club de Goa and Dempo Sports Club.
While fans and pundits might be writing off Dempo Sports Club and questioning their recent run of poor form, the man who matters, Armando Colasso, is thinking on different lines. In the post-match conference, he defended his boys in typical Armand style.
I'm not worried, and it's just 2 points separate, so I think my boys will regroup and come back. Why only harassing on Mahesh Gowli? Why are you not talking about the players who missed chances open there? Why only are you considering on Mahesh Gowli? Football is about mistakes. You all can talk. They play with their legs. You see? Yeah, finish. I'm still because I know the value of it. If you have to be a good player technically, I don't think you'll have asked me these questions. I'm a coach. I have to persist with my players to give them the confidence. I've got faith in this boy. We will bounce back. There's nothing to worry about. No need to press panic buttons.
Your team having
We had most of the time we made mistakes. Sorry?
Couple of international players.
So what is the international?
Santosh Kashyap had his sights set on the 2 back-to-back away matches he had in Goa and could not be more satisfied with the results.
I was very positive from the beginning when I came to Goa for these 2 matches. That same confidence I given to my boys to do well and try to win the matches. I know both the teams were doing great and great teams play great football, and we have some tactical plan, and then I feel that we are successful and we get the timely goal and we defended excellent.
You were expecting 2-0 margin?
No. I was not expecting.
You are going now.
I have not went for any margin for it. I just told my boys, try to give your best. Dempo is great team, but they are in pressure now because of 2 defeat, and we have to utilize that pressure from them.
A reporter from Fatorda, Mayur Naik.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.